And we're back with another video. Don't mind that piece of crap. But tonight is laid out Fridays. Meet every Friday here in Philadelphia. First thing gotta do first though is wipe down the G. You can't really see it, but it is very dirty. So I'm gonna give it a quick wipe down before I head over to the meet. Then get dressed, have a good time, hopefully see some nice cars. And I haven't really driven the G35 like that. And I also need gas. And gas is expensive. Nice one.
Eventually.
And just got done wiping down the car. Look at that. Paint busting in the light. Carbon fiber busting. But I got a quick question for my sedan G35 guys. Can I fit a 305 tire in the back? I know you can fit 275s. I can't find on the forums of anybody hitting a 305. I mean, I'm going to make it work. If I got to roll this out a little bit, I'm going to have to make it work. That's the only way I'm going to catch grip of some R32s when I'm turboed. But things you got to do. But actually, though, today, the first order of business is to get gas again. I know we got gas in the last vlog, but we got to get gas again because, you know, this V6 is like a fucking V8 and just chews up everything in its fucking sight. Yeah, I know. No cold start because I already started it today. But look at that! What is this? This time I actually got the nozzle with the clicker, so I don't need to hold it. What's on the feet? All white fives? Sheesh. Last was $4.90. Crazy. Wow. And there goes my life savings. Nice one. Now that we're at a full tank, we can start the ride over to the meet. This is like one of the worst roads to drive on. Like, the bumps are always crazy. Like, I don't even know why I took this road. Wasn't thinking. It be like that sometimes. I need to hurry up and get this swap done. I'm sick of playing this 93. I need some E85. It's like at $3.05 right now. That's better than $5 for gas. Every time I drive through here, I remember how I want to get a picture. Don't mind the swerve. It was a big bump. But every time I drive through here, I just remember how I need to get a picture here. Because when the sun is out, this spot be smacking, banging. No bet. But I just never got around to actually doing it. One day, it will happen. But that day is probably not going to come soon because I just be procrastinating for real. I ain't gonna lie. I just be doing dumb shit. It feels like every time I drive this car, somebody always wants to race me. Like this guy right here in the 300 SRT. Like, bro, your car is heavy. I'm probably going to gas you because this VQ does put in work. Don't let the V6 fool you, bro. Don't let it fool you. Yeah, you better turn. Well, of course, we get on the highway and there is traffic. Traffic is just like the worst enemy of everybody. Every time I just want to get on the highway. And of course he goes by me. Nice one. And of course, the traffic gets worse. And we're already late. The meet starts at 7 o'clock. It's 7:19. So that's what you call idiocy. I didn't think it was going to be this bad. Usually when you get into the part where it's about to go into 6 lanes, you don't really get traffic like this, but then I forget it's Philly and it just be happening sometimes when you're going into the city. There's no way around it. There's no other way to go, really. You just got to take the traffic on the chin because ain't nobody taking 76. That highway is horrible. In the 15-second segment of It's Dad's 350Z, how I feel about the Evo and the RPF 11s too. Sheesh. Evo 10, love me Evo. That color's fire too. Mustang on the works. Oh no, it's because his lights are blue. He didn't pick up. Look at the carbon fiber. Or WRXs. We'll come back around for that, bro. Look at the 890. The Michelin's. Show off the engine bay. Is that VTEC? No man, VTEC. Sheesh. Fire on the techie. Oh yeah, that's hard. This WRX got teeth. STI. Z-Boys. What else he got? Shh, was Evans? This the same way you got the new joint and they got the faded joint. Sanismo. Send nudes. Nah, that's like the joint from you get from the car show. Got the Stanger Banger. That Busa? It's like no. She got the Mopar boys together. Of course they both got the same bumper. I mean same hood. No bumper game. The cord slammed. Sheesh. Nice underglow. STI. This joint is slammed. We should do the dollar test on it. The joint's on the ground. It's lower than most brother. Got the hood beamer. Ooh, is that a big turbo? Is that a LS? I was about to say. Joint's still warm too. Fat wastegate. RS. That's that fresh kick Q50. Yeah, this the same board from last time. They got the forged carbon. It does. Yeah. Where's your thumb, man? Yeah, yes sir. Park next does. Yeah, park right next to you. He's cooking you right now. No, it does not. No, it does not. You were about to say something crazy. The bang. Yo, the R32 shutting down the beat. Yeah, you know I love the Golf, bro. RGB lights. Stop it, stop it. Yo. Oh yeah. Look how slim the Miata is. Like, bro, what's the offset? Negative 30? No way, bro. That joint is. I'm not trying to hear it. You got the different color bumper. Stunting on him, stunting on him. Where's most brother at? This Lexus is so hard, bro. Like, it don't even got too much, but just how dropped it is, the wheels, the fitment. Shit's perfect, bro. So fire. Fire. Got the new LC, Rich Boys. That joint like 108 now. R32, he bagged out on the Meisters. Joint's fire. I ain't going fire.
Nah, I mean,
Engine bay, nice and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Engine bay and everything like that. Yeah, that work, bro.
When you get
beat that. Bro, this joint is so clean. I mean, you got that, but that don't even matter.
That's not my case, yeah. So I got in an accident.
Really, got the Meisters on my Dream Wheels. I definitely don't have it set on orders. Wink, wink. Joint is fire. Don't just get bag too. Fire. This is literally the Fresh Kicks Q50 right here. Except he doesn't have the frosted right here, but he does have the half moon and the demon eye. Anyone lie, it's pretty hard. What does else he got? I got the still in Aero kit with the arc exhaust. Pretty cool. They're so fat and stretched.
They look good though.
They're fat and stretched at the same time. Stanger man.
Oh, with the clears, bro. You know their clears cost $800 for theirs.
I think they could smoke some. Yeah. That's why I don't buy clears. Here come the poppies.
Cut up springs. Look at them.
I love the color on this. Let's go check up. Carbon fiber. Forged. Yeah. Pull up on the STI.
Oh, I see this one. Oh, this is the bush on the wheels.
Sheesh.
He's selling these ones.
Damn, he got that big NRG. Yo, you know how much this NRG wing go for, bro? Especially the carbon fiber one that he has. That wing costs straight money, bro. He gets straight money. Oh, he's just like me, Fitment Industries ambassador. Use my code. I mean my link down in the description. Skeezy Talk. Got that tone, man. You can't even see it because the darkness. Type R's are fire. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, sheesh.
That's on factory.
Yeah, factory. Still sounds good.
Sounds nice,
Bro, look at the seats too. The red Type R seats. Let me buy your seats. I'll just put Nismo in them. Got a tone, man. You got another tone, man. When is your dad gonna get a tone, man? Fitment, bro. That's what you mean. That's some fire fitment right there, yo. He's never gonna scrape or anything. Shit, is it a thumb in the back? It's a Cobra.
It's a prelude with H1 too.
Prelude. This don't look good. Is that? Oh, those wets? Yeah. Does look nice. I love me an S2. A nice hot hatch. Ain't even gonna lie to you. Yeah, hatchbacks are fire. Look how much work he has in the back, bro. Look how much the fender is rolled to fit that. Yeah. Lee. S14, bro. Them joints be fire. SR in there. Give me your car. Shh. They sound so good, especially SR. Ah, no. Look at the train. Oh, that's it for the car meet. It was a really chill car meet. Glad the cops showed up, but they actually just let us slide because they saw that we were being real cool. No crazy bulls put up or no type takeover, no type shooting flames. So it was really cool. It was a really cool meet. Glad it was that cool. But yeah, glad it was cool. About to start the drive home. Gotta go pick up my mom and then be on my way home. Go get a cheesesteak because I'm out in this area. Go get a nice cheesesteak. Rolling out with the boys. Jeez. Man, look at all the cars. Just all of them. Hitting the turn. Damn. Come on, guys. Let's up. No clutch, boys. It's like, let me stop. Hopefully I don't have to hit too much crazy angle. Oh, no. It's not that bad here. It's not that bad. My fault, OG. You see that red and blue flashing, somebody got caught. They spit out the meat. That's where the cops went to go handle them. Because why would you do that dumbness when you see the cops right there? Like, they're not going to come and chase you. They just got done with them. Damn. That low 350Z. They opening everything on them. What, he got drugs on him? Damn. Hopefully everything's all right. Bro, this light is actually like the shortest light. It literally gives them all the time to turn, but gives us no time to turn. And watch, this light is like 5 seconds. Ooh. He's moving in that WRX. I ain't even gonna lie to you, boy. Well, that's it for the video. Hella tired. Ready to go to sleep, bro. It's just been a long day. But meet was really good. Got to see some nice cars. Actually got some recognitions. People like the Tomei, people like D35. It's just started now. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you like and subscribe or dislike, even though we can't see it, but it's whatever you want to do. I already said use my code for Fitment Industries already. But yeah, that's really it. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night or day whenever this posts.